Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. It is July 17th, 2023. Awesome week for pretty much all asset classes last week. Just about everything was up at least a little bit. We had the U.S. up quite a bit, about 3% on the week. International is nearly 5%, and emerging markets at 5% on the week. Even bonds got in on the fun with yields dropping pretty much across the board. The global bond index we like to follow was up nearly 3% on the week, so that's good news. Also, we had commodities getting in on the fun as well, with precious metals up between 2 and 8% on the week, which was pretty wild, all pretty much driven by the dollar having a really, really rough week. We're expecting the Fed to take all of this into consideration and likely continue the rate hikes at the end of the month here, and then we wouldn't be surprised if we got another one in September, considering all the jobs data. One thing we'd like to point out is we are fully into earnings season, and I think everybody ought to get ready to put their helmets on in terms of that. While economists are clapping because 80% of the companies that have reported so far have quote-unquote beaten earnings, it is important to note that it is the third straight quarter of decelerating earnings, or in this case, year-over-year 7.1% decline so far for the companies that have reported. I'm not sure that necessarily warrants the valuations we're seeing, but we're going to be tracking it very, very closely. Remember, hope is not an investment strategy. Have a fantastic week.